project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Titanoboa favorites project module. And that's where you're going to be looking inside of the contract. Now, to give you guys a quick heads up, I tried to run some things in our contract beforehand to see if everything was still working properly in the way it was supposed to. And of course, we did run into some hiccups. This is because I'm so far ahead in the course that I do have to move things around as I move forward, and I guess some things got crossed out or some wires got crossed as I move forward. So as you can see here, the Viper, which one was it say? The Viper favorites by file here still compiles and runs correctly. You can see this is our hex code for running it. But no, I tried to use the UV run deploy favorites.py evm.py file here. You can see here we have an issue. The project virtual environment directory cannot be used because it is not a valid Python environment. So now I have to either go all the way back in the course and figure out what's going on, or just fix it as we move along with making the videos. Either or. It seems like something got changed along the way. I did check my Pi project Tomu. You can see here's our dependencies. You can see the 3 dots under each dependency. This means that they're not being registered or they're not being read, meaning they're not installed. So for some reason they're not being installed. We do have the required Python. You see 3.12 is the version we need to be running. I'll go over here and check my Python version. You can see if it clicks over in time, but yeah, that should be 3.12 as well. So we do have the right Python version. So I'm not sure why it's not registering. So like I said, we can either go back in the course and try to do it, or just hopefully it fixes itself as we move forward with me making the videos. Maybe we'll rediscover something that we left out or see what happens. But yeah, so that's where we're with it right now. And this is our Boa favorites module here. This is the contract that we put together. Let me show you the actual contract. This is the deploy favorites evm.py. Let's see if this loads really quickly. Here's our favorites.vi. You know the favorites.vi, you've seen it plenty of times. Here's the hex code that generates. The deploy favorites is pretty much the same also. The only new file that we have here is the deploy favorites evm.py file. And if it loads up, I can show you what that actually looks like. Let me click on it from this side and see. Of course, everything's running slow because the video was playing. But yeah, so like I said, that's where we're at. Now we just have to figure out what's going on and reconfigure everything back to the way it was. Here's our deploy PyEVM contract here. This is just a little generic script that we can run. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out as we move along, and of course I'll keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.